for an awesome birthday present from a company in the UK, Hartley and Noble. So these are drape moulds for plates. They have recesses on the bottom so they can go on your Giffin Grip. So you put this on your Giffin Grip on the wheel, and then you can use the wheel for your speed and your turning rather than a banding wheel. I used my new slab roller, rolled some clay over the top and trimmed it with a needle tool. Was able to stamp it. And then I dried it over in some plastic for a few hours, not that long. And then I got this additional kit, which you can actually just spin on the bottom of every item, and then literally it's easier to remove from that point.
Oh, please release me, let me go.
Brilliant, absolutely awesome. I've only used them once, so these plates that I've got in the kiln are my very first item I made using my slab roller, my very first try out with the drape moulds, and tried to put some feet on, didn't really work. And then I'm also trying to glaze them. So far they survived the bisque firing, a little bit of a wobble on one, but I'm testing them. I actually think from listening to a couple of people, I rolled the slab too thin. I didn't take into account shrinkage on thickness, so maybe they're a little bit thin, so they are going to be a bit more fragile. So I'm going to make them thicker next time, but we'll see. Calm. I love this bit. I absolutely love this bit. Okay, here we go. Oh, I like that. Oh, wow. I think, yes. Well, it's not stuck to the bottom. Oh, wow. Oh, look. Oh, God, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, my. I love it. Look at my edge, so neat around.